Hi everybody, I am breaking 2008 Just Myers mystery balls. Supposed to get one autographed baseball in here and 2 autographed cards and then a card set. So let's see what we got. We've got an Adam Miller Major League Baseball. I guess I could open that up. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. Adam Miller. And that does have the MLB logo on it and everything. And then we have an autographed Colorado from the Colorado, Christian Colonel. Never heard of him. And then we have a Texas rookie, Casey Kiker. Never heard of him. And then this should be the card set, which I'm not going to go through all of them, but that's what that is, the card set. And for the baseball, here he is autographing it. It's a picture of him. And it's got the item number and I guess a proof that he did it. Alright, thank you.